The STY Roadside Emergency Kit brings together a thoughtful mix of essentials like jumper cables, tow rope, and basic hand tools so you are not stranded during common roadside problems. Its compact vacuum, powered from your vehicle outlet, delivers surprisingly strong suction with multiple attachments that make it practical for quick interior cleanups between trips. Reflective safety gear, including a warning triangle and high-visibility vest, helps you stay seen by other drivers when you are dealing with a breakdown at night or in poor weather. The kit is organized in a lightweight, space-saving bag that tucks easily into a trunk or storage compartment while still keeping every item clearly labeled and easy to grab. It is versatile enough for cars, trucks, and recreational vehicles, covering situations from dead batteries to minor winter issues without needing a trunk full of separate gear. Because it gathers so many genuinely useful items in one place, this kit makes a smart gift for new drivers or anyone who has not yet built their own emergency setup.